Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best desiccant dehumidifiers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many desiccant dehumidifiers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each desiccant dehumidifiers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a desiccant dehumidifier. First, think about the capacity of the unit, which determines how much moisture it can remove and whether it suits your room size. Next, check the energy efficiency, since desiccant models can use more power than compressor types, so choosing one with an energy-saving mode helps reduce costs. Noise level is another key factor, especially if you plan to use it in a bedroom or office. Also, look at the operating temperature range, because desiccant dehumidifiers work better in colder spaces compared to compressor models. Consider the maintenance requirements, such as filter cleaning and desiccant replacement, to keep performance steady. Lastly, review useful features like automatic shutoff, continuous drain options, and portability for convenience. Always compare brands and read reviews before deciding. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.